Besides being poor quality and an absolute pain to cook with, most frying pans are completely coated with toxic chemicals that leach into your food every time they're heated. Sure, your food might not stick to the pan, but those forever chemicals will certainly stick to your insides. In this video, I'm continuing on my mission to help people detoxify their kitchens by exploring the best non-toxic frying pans on the market. You'll find links to each of these products in the description box below. The Alva Maestro's standout feature is its truly non-toxic ceramic coating that delivers impressive non-stick performance without the health concerns of traditional PTFE pans. Also available in 8-inch and 9.5-inch sizes, this 11-inch pan heats quickly and evenly thanks to its thick aluminum construction, eliminating hot spots that can ruin delicate dishes. Don't worry about the use of aluminum though. This non-toxic frying pan has a safe ceramic coating, meaning that your food never comes into direct contact with any aluminum. The straight-sided design provides ample cooking space, about 20% more than standard frying pans, making it perfect for family meals. Proper heat management is crucial with this pan. It holds heat more efficiently than traditional cookware, so you'll get the best results using low to medium heat settings. The stainless steel handle stays cool during stovetop use and allows for oven cooking up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adding versatility to your cooking options. Many users also note how little oil is needed for cooking in this non-toxic, non-stick frying pan, supporting healthier meal preparation in more ways than one. Maintenance requires some attention to keep the pan performing at its best. Hand washing is recommended despite being technically dishwasher safe, and using only wooden or silicone utensils will protect the ceramic surface. While more expensive than conventional non-stick pans, most users find that the health benefits and cooking performance justify the investment for peace of mind in the kitchen. Next up on my best non-toxic frying pan roundup, we have the Hestan NanoBond 11-inch skillet, which delivers exceptional durability and performance for serious home cooks willing to invest in premium, non-toxic cookware. Backed by a lifetime warranty, you'll immediately notice the stunning appearance of this Italian-crafted skillet with its brilliant titanium finish. The molecular titanium technology bonds thousands of nano layers to high-quality stainless steel, creating a cooking surface that resists scratching, staining, and salt pitting, unlike conventional pans. As a result, your Hestan NanoBond frying pan will never leach chemicals into your foods. Besides its completely non-toxic construction, heat distribution is where this pan truly shines. Its ProCore aluminum layer conducts heat 35% better than typical aluminum-clad cookware, allowing for quick and even heating across the entire surface. Plus, the flush rivets on the interior prevent food buildup while the flared rim ensures drip-free pouring. Also available in 8.5-inch and 12.5-inch sizes, or as part of a set, the 11-inch size provides ample cooking space, and the ergonomic handle offers comfortable maneuverability despite the substantial construction. For those seeking top-tier non-toxic cookware that will potentially last a lifetime, this premium option deserves your consideration. Checking in at number 5 on my best non-toxic fry pan list is this PFAS-free ceramic frying pan from Fissler, which delivers excellent non-stick performance while prioritizing your health with its innovative water-based coating. The Fissler Ceratal Comfort frying pans stand out in the crowded non-toxic cookware market with their water-based ceramic coating. You'll appreciate that these 9.5-inch and 11-inch frying pans are completely free from PFAS and PTFE chemicals commonly found in traditional non-stick cookware. This means you can cook confidently, knowing your meals remain untainted by potentially harmful substances. Heat distribution is exceptional thanks to the exclusive Fissler CookStar-based technology. Your food cooks evenly from edge to edge, eliminating those frustrating hot spots that can burn certain areas while leaving others undercooked. The aluminum and stainless steel construction balances durability with efficient heat conductivity, making this pan suitable for all cooking surfaces, including induction. Made in Germany to the highest non-toxic standards, the thoughtfully designed high rim allows you to cook larger portions without worrying about spillage. When preparing dishes that require tossing or sautéing, you'll find the pan's design prevents ingredients from escaping over the sides. Its warm gray color also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen aesthetic while hiding minor stains that might develop over time. Comfort extends to the ergonomic handle design, with integrated finger guards that protect your hands from heat. During testing, many users reported that the handle stays cool enough to touch even after extended cooking sessions. Maintenance does require some attention, as you'll need to hand wash this pan to preserve its non-stick properties. While this might seem inconvenient compared to dishwasher-safe options, the extra care helps extend the lifespan of the ceramic coating. At just 3.3 pounds for the 11-inch pan, the Fissler Ceratal Comfort lives up to its name, offering substantial construction without becoming difficult to maneuver, making it appropriate for daily use across various cooking techniques, from sautéing vegetables to preparing delicate egg dishes. Next up on my review of the healthiest frying pans, we have the 360 Cookware Fry Pan Set, which gives you 3 versatile pans that cover all of your cooking needs. You get a 7-inch fry pan, which is perfect for single servings, an 8.5-inch frying pan, which is ideal for medium cooking tasks, and an 11.5-inch fry pan, which is great for family meals. Overall, this non-toxic frying pan set is perfect for everything from frying a single egg to preparing full meals for the whole family. Each pan is handcrafted in the USA using T316 surgical grade stainless steel and is therefore completely non-toxic. Unlike many non-stick options on the market, these American-made frying pans contain no harmful chemicals or coatings that could leach into your food. As a result, you can cook at high temperatures, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, without worrying about releasing toxins. The ergonomic handles stay cool while you cook, giving you better control and preventing accidental burns. These pans work on all cooktops, including induction, making them versatile additions to any kitchen setup. The premium stainless steel distributes heat evenly, eliminating hot spots that can burn your food. When cooking with these pans, you'll notice that food browns more evenly and develops better flavor due to the superior heat distribution properties of high-quality stainless steel. After you're done cooking, caring for these pans is straightforward too. Hand washing with warm, soapy water keeps them looking their best, though they are dishwasher safe too. Their durability is remarkable. Many customers report using their 360 cookware daily for decades. Speaking of longevity, you'll appreciate the lifetime warranty that comes with your purchase. This guarantee shows 360's confidence in their frying pans and gives you peace of mind. The investment, while quite expensive initially, pays off when you consider that you won't need to replace these pans every few years like conventional non-stick options. Next up in my best non-toxic frying pan roundup, we're going to Clarksville, Tennessee to check out another American-made non-toxic fry pan, one that delivers professional performance with exceptional durability. The Heritage Steel Eater frying pan set stands out in the crowded cookware market by focusing on what truly matters: safe materials and outstanding performance. Made in the USA with a 5-ply construction, this pan distributes heat evenly through 3 aluminum layers sandwiched between protective stainless steel. This thoughtful design eliminates hot spots that plague cheaper pans. What sets this pan apart is its commitment to non-toxic cooking. Unlike competitors who rely on questionable coatings, Heritage Steel uses only high-quality stainless steel for its cooking surface. The 304 grade stainless steel, also known as 1810s, creates a stable cooking platform that won't leach chemicals into your food. For health-conscious cooks like me, this peace of mind is invaluable. Versatility is another strength of this frying pan. The Stay Cool handle design makes stovetop cooking comfortable, while the pan itself can withstand oven temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much higher than most frying pans. This makes heritage steel frying pans perfect for finishing dishes under the broiler or starting a sear on the stove and completing in the oven. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, these pans adapt to your kitchen setup without compromising performance. Compared to other stainless steel options, these non-toxic stainless steel frying pans are also much more affordable, making them a winner for anyone who wants to detoxify their kitchen on a budget. Taking a well-deserved silver medal in my best non-toxic frying pans guide is this popular 10.5-inch Caraway fry pan, which delivers impressive performance without the health concerns of traditional nonstick cookware. Free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, and heavy metals, the non-toxic ceramic coating creates a naturally slick surface that requires minimal oil while ensuring your meals slide right off. And at just 2.8 pounds, it's lightweight enough for everyday use, but durable enough to handle regular cooking. Many home cooks appreciate the versatility this non-toxic fry pan offers. Its 10.5-inch size makes it ideal for cooking eggs, sautéing vegetables, or preparing tasty meals. The stainless steel handle provides a comfortable grip, while the aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. The aluminum, of course, is coated with Caraway's non-toxic, non-stick ceramic coating, so you don't have to worry about the aluminum coming into contact with your food. Caraway's commitment to safety sets this pan apart from competitors. While traditional non-stick pans can release harmful chemicals at high temperatures, this ceramic-coated option keeps toxins out of your food. The pan's ability to heat evenly also means you'll get perfect results whether you're making breakfast or dinner. Though it requires some care to maintain its non-stick properties, many users find the health benefits and cooking performance well worth the extra attention. You can also save money on Caraway by purchasing a set of frying pans together rather than just one at a time, which also gives you more choice when it comes to cooking different meals. So, what is the best non-toxic frying pan that you can buy? Based on my research and testing, the Xtrema Signature Skillet set is the best non-toxic frying pan because it offers a truly non-toxic cooking experience with its 100% pure ceramic construction. Available in both 2-piece and 3-piece options, you'll get versatile sizes to handle everything from morning eggs to dinner stir-fries. What makes these skillets special is their complete absence of metals, PFOA, PFAS, and Teflon. You won't ever have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food during cooking, giving you total peace of mind for family meals. These skillets feature a smart, low-rim design that makes flipping foods easier than with traditional pans. Their lightweight, one-piece construction means no loose parts or coatings that might deteriorate over time. The 3-piece set includes 11-inch, 9-inch, and 7-inch skillets, while the 2-piece set comes with 11-inch and 9-inch options. Each size serves a different purpose in your kitchen arsenal, from cooking delicate sauces to searing proteins. You can also buy Xtrema's newly designed traditional 9.5-inch fry pan with a wide base and flared sides if you're just looking to get a single frying pan. When using your Xtrema skillet, you'll notice that food cooks more evenly thanks to ceramic's infrared heating properties. This means your meals cook from both inside and outside simultaneously, enhancing natural flavors and preserving nutritional value. Plus, unlike other materials, ceramic has excellent heat retention, which helps your freshly cooked dishes to retain their warmth. With Xtrema, care is straightforward. Simply preheat on low to medium heat, add your favorite oil to create a naturally non-stick surface, and cook as usual. Cleanup is a breeze as well with hot soapy water or in the dishwasher. Backed by impressive guarantees, your purchase includes a 30-day trial period and a 10-year warranty. Xtrema also offers a replacement program if accidents happen, showing their confidence in the product's durability. Handcrafted by specialized artisans with centuries of ceramic making tradition, these skillets aren't just cookware, they're potential family heirlooms. You'll appreciate both their functionality and their glossy modern appearance that transitions beautifully from stovetop to table. If you're truly seeking the best non-toxic frying pans that money can buy, then I highly recommend going with Xtrema. While more expensive than typical frying pans, the 100% ceramic construction and resulting non-toxic cooking performance is priceless if you ask me. I really hope that my walkthrough of the best non-toxic frying pans helped you to see why conventional frying pans should be avoided at all costs. You'll find links to all the best non-toxic frying pan brands in the description box below.